In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unarchive archived emails in Gmail. When you archive an email in Gmail, it does not get deleted. Instead, it is removed from your inbox and stored in a broader view called All Mail. That is why it can feel like the message disappeared, even though it is still in your account. To unarchive it, you simply move it back to the inbox. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account so you are looking at the right mailbox. Once Gmail loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. This is the sidebar with items like Inbox and Sent. Next, hover your mouse over that left-hand sidebar. This helps ensure the full menu is visible, especially on smaller screens or if your sidebar is in a compact view. Now go to the bottom of that list and click the More button. Clicking More expands additional mailbox labels and categories that are not always shown by default. After the menu expands, scroll down within the sidebar list and click on All Mail. All Mail is the place where Gmail keeps almost every message you have, including archived emails. Keep in mind that messages in All Mail may not have the inbox label, which is one way to tell they are currently archived. In All Mail, locate the email you want to unarchive. Take your time here since this view can be long. If you have many messages, scroll until you find the correct one. Once you see the email, right-click directly on that email in the list. A context menu will appear with several actions you can take. From that menu, select Move to Inbox. This action unarchives the message by placing it back into your inbox, making it visible there again like a regular incoming email. Finally, verify the result by going to your primary inbox and confirming the email now appears there. If you do not see it immediately, give Gmail a moment to refresh or navigate back to Inbox again to confirm. And that is all there is to it.